Welcome you all to this training session. Today we are going to discuss job page serial number 7. By this training video, you will get a clear understanding regarding the serial number 7 of your job page. This is a massive software, and it will provide you a vast level of experience and the multiple ways to earn money here. So all the users who are working here at massmedia.net, I will especially request you to continue to watch the full video to understand the software and the ways of earning. The job page serial number 7 is an extraordinary way of earning money. So all the users, including starting level, that is user level 1 to user level 5, are requested to watch this video to have a clear conception of earning from this software. Basically, this software is going to help you a lot of way, and today we will especially discuss for Facebook page and for YouTube video. By these two social media platforms, how you will earn money from this software, or how you will use this software to earn money from Facebook page and YouTube. So let us start our journey. Basically, if you have a look on your job page, then you will see that serial number 7, earn money unlimited. Basically, this is the software how you will earn money, or how you will earn unlimited income. The more the time you will invest, the more the point will be achieved, and the more the money will be achieved. Before starting working into this software, you should collect your user ID and password from the central to start your job here. The name of the software you can see here at your job page, that the followfast.com. So we are going to the page of the software so that you can easily start your working there. Just let me in. Okay, the FollowFast software. In the software, you will see that there is after getting user ID and password, you will just get a page where you will see that username, email, password, and password again, and referral number and captcha. But one thing should keep in mind that you have already received password, user ID and password from the center, so you do not need to again to fill up the page. So you just directly click on login button. When you will click on the login button, you will get an interface where you will put your user ID and password and put the captcha number. Then click on the login button. By clicking on the login button, you will be able to enter into the software. Once you will enter into the software, you will get an interface where you will find a lot of things. I mean, after joining, you will get 50 points as a bonus point. Then you will see the different ways how it works. View page to earn points, use your points to advertise. Basically, this is a social media platform. The people who have a Facebook page or YouTube page or any social media, and he or she, if wants to promote his page, then he can use this platform and he can tell us to inform us so that we can work for him or her. So the one of the purpose of this software, that this software should also be used to promote the page. If any user of massberry.net have his own page or social media page or blog, then he also can promote his or her blog with us, with the help of us. We will arrange view, like, subscribe, follower in this way. So this is another point. So you can understand that this software can also be used to promote your page and also to earn money from this software. Okay, then you are getting that in the ad page. When you are clicking on that page, then you are seeing that Facebook, YouTube, and the YouTube link, likes, and Instagram, and Twitter, and you can see the different options here. All these options can also be promoted. Video likes, edit page, and plain view video, then channel subscriptions, etc. So there are a lot of things, that is the things that are related to YouTube, then you can do by this software. And if anyone wants to promote his video, then by this way he can video title, can put his video title and can select the points he wants to use, and by this way anyone can promote his things like earn coins. This is our main objective to come to this software. By this way you can earn coin. Just you will click on play button and you will get the point, and this point should be converted into money. So the thing is that there are lots of purpose or objective of this software, and we can use in multiple ways. All the social media platforms that you can see here can be used and can be used to earn points, and these points can also be converted into cash. After a certain period of duration, there is a specific limitation of this software, and then it has its own payment method. By this way, the payment can be achieved, and when you click on the play button, then you will see that this is video is running on. Just we have clicked on the play button and the video is running on. How much time we will see the video? Just you will see 35 seconds on. Just only 35 seconds. After 35 seconds, you just close the video, and you will see that the point has been achieved. And there are some things that is you can also close it after 10 seconds. Just you have to check. 10 seconds after showing 10 seconds, you can also close the video. Just play on the play button. Click on the play button. And you can see the video is opening. You will just see 10 seconds only. You will just see the video 10 to 11 seconds, and then it will be closed. And then you will see that your point has been achieved. So this is very simple to earn points by using this software. Interesting thing is that by using this software, you can earn from by watching website, by watching FB page, by watching YouTube video, and liking, by watching Instagram, by watching Twitter. So all these points are open, but one thing you should keep in mind that when you are going to earn points from Twitter, you should have a Twitter account. When you are going to achieve points from Instagram, then you should have an Instagram account. So before start working here, you should have account for the social media site. But I think all the users who are working here, everybody has their account for Facebook page and YouTube. So one thing is clear, that everyone are able to work on Facebook page and YouTube and can earn money and can earn point from Facebook page and YouTube. But by this section, by using this section, you can earn point, and thus the point can also be converted into money at the end of the day. So the more point, achieving more point is our main expectation. We will just increase our points. And one more thing is that by using all these social media platform, you have to earn your points. The daily objective, you should set your daily objective. You have to earn, you can try $250. You can earn $250 per week by using this software.